Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds, and at the first line we have a name. You need to tap at this line. Right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add. So I want to add this text. The most important is to click Done at the right bottom to save this new name. But if you have iOS 26, you will have checkmark button, not Done button. So tap at that button, we just save it. So if you go back, you can see that we changed the name. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!